I am really upset right now. My webcam was so laggy that it was not cooperating with the gameplay. Now I have to redo episode 4. What's up, guys? Gamer Gosh here. Welcome back to Super Mario Galaxy 2. Son of a biscuit. I'm so upset! I did all that work, and of course my webcam wasn't freaking working well. Okay, let's play some Galaxy 2. We were on this one, first of all. I'm so upset. That's twice in freaking gameplay that I had to go and re-record. I had that light off and it was making my webcam so laggy. Oh my gosh, it's just a light. What is gonna make... That's alright. It's just ridiculous. I literally had... I don't get it. It's not fair. I swear, if the next episode after this, son of a gun, I swear, if the next episode after this doesn't record well, I quit gaming forever. Okay, I don't really just playing. Like, it's just annoying. So this is where you get Silver Star. Oh, that was a long jump to hell. I'm still mad. Oh my god. Not the game. Me having my webcam so laggy, and of course I gotta go back up there. Of course, a dark room makes a webcam laggy. That's so freaking ridiculous. I wonder if I can get that. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! It's not a gold star. I hate this Elgato so much. Not really. Like, my webcam was moving like a little slow. Like with my movement. I'm like, is that gonna affect my webcam? And then I look at my video and it was not moving properly. It was moving a tiny bit, but not like along with me playing the game. Well, not like the whole way through. It was just so bad. This is Flip Flop Galaxy. I bought this Galaxy worth 300 star bits. And think before you shake. "2020 is going really good. Me not getting my popular webcam working." I don't care about that one up. I hadn't died in my previous recording, actually, if y'all want to know. There's the comet battle, by the way. Uh-oh. Bad idea. Not a bad idea! Okay. Okay, start this. Gotta go here. Gonna get not hit. Woo! And we're out. Yay. I love that galaxy. It's a really fun galaxy. Alright, Fluffy Bluff. I got the second star because that is a secret star. Every planet has its price. So what you gotta do, well, first of all, we're gonna get all these stars, is get 100 coins to feed to the Luma. Why would you feed somebody coins? Like, I can tell you, like, that's impressive, because take a bite of gold, then your teeth are gonna get hurt, you know what I mean? Well, hey, it's started. Goodbye. Alright, really hope I don't mess this up. Okay, we're good. We just need enough coins, you know, just to get to 100. Yay, we did it again. Well, I did it again. Because you guys weren't there in the last previous recording. So, whoops. What you gotta do is go up here, and of course, go in this little tiny sling star to get up here. And get all this money. Money, honey. Oh, wait. I don't need to. I wasted my time for doing that! Hey, you know, we've only been recording for, what, 8 minutes? We might be able to do another star after this. Oh. Well, that's awesome. Going in the middle, Yeah, we might be able to do another star. Well, look at us go! I just got all those coins for nothing. I forgot, when that hungry Loomba has eaten up everything, you no longer have to do anything. Max, what are you doing in here? Alright. Max, how you doing, buddy? Shout out to my dog Max, everyone. Fluffy Bluff Galaxy Other Star. And this one is Search for the Toad Brigade Captain. Excuse me. Cloud flower. Bye. Wait, where was the comet battle at? I remember where it is. Goodbye, checkpoint. As funny how I meshed that quickly and Mario wasn't jumping that high. Uh-oh. Wish me luck. Alright. Come on, dude. Get away. No. Okay. But actually, you know, I probably could have backflipped to get that. 3. A 4. I can see why Mario's power-up with the cloud disappears. Oh, I forgot to explain to you guys what the cloud flower was. Whoops. What you basically do, if you're wondering how I got each cloud, I just shook the remote and I just missed out on all of those stars. Can I make it up? Oh, you son of a gun! You're gonna die. Hey, what are you doing? Get over there. I don't care about you. You know what? Actually, yeah, I do. Oh wow, it is Starbits. I thought it was coins. So we go this way and we lose our cloud power-up because I am a little bit weird. Okay, I guess I didn't. I guess the game doesn't want to jump. I mean, Mario doesn't want to jump. Might as well get this just in case. Hey Toad, what's up?
Gasp! Some monkey with sunglasses challenged me! To a race! You go instead? I should be in better shape. This captain business is going to be harder than I thought.
I wasted my cloud! Okay. But that's okay, because we can get a replacement. Let's go on top of that mountain to say hi to that little monkey over there. Whoa! It's you! Good work getting up here. They call me the chimp. He was gonna say, seems like you seem the rival of my enemy. This episode had better work this time with my webcam. I will see y'all in episode 5. Peace.